welcome back to my channel and the 12 days of Christmas. I know you guys are all wondering where I got my fabulous sweater from. Walmart special, bitches. Just kidding. Yeah, it's not. It's special. So if you guys have not seen the previous, what are we on here? We're on day 8. Day 8. So if you have not seen the other 7, I will link that here in the corner and down in the description box below. But we are unboxing one day at a time the LimeLife Advent Calendar, which is called the Holly Dozen Collection. So this is my favorite release of all of the holiday collections for 2018. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I'm going to be opening and talking about today, as well as this fabulous lip color that I'm wearing, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. So here is our Holly Dozen collection, aka the LimeLife Advent Calendar. And so it comes with this really cute bow, the signature LimeLife bow with a little gift tag that you can put to and from on the back here. And then when you open it up, it looks like this. And then there are 12 little windows that you can open for the 12 days of Christmas. I think we're on this one. So we have a little mini enduring lip color. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love minis. If you guys have been tuning along for the previous days, you know that we've been unboxing them and then talking about my lip color. So I have a different lip color every day of the enduring lip colors because they are my favorite. Not only is liquid lipstick my favorite, but these are my favorite liquid lipstick. They are very good because they don't dry out your lips. They stay put. They feel velvety. They're just so good. So the color that I got in my box is macaroon. So we did that on day 5 is when I wore macaroon. But I am going to show you guys. So first of all, I'm going to talk about these products. Here's the baby and here's the big version. So they are a bit fatter too. So you get quite a bit of product in this little miniature size. And like, how cute is that? So what I'm going to show you is what we've been doing. I will tell you a little bit about it, a little blurb off of my website, and then I'm going to show you guys my little tip with these liquid lipsticks that I haven't told you yet. And then I will tell you about the color that I'm wearing today because it is one of my favorites. So it says Enduring Lip Color, aka ELC, aka LimeLife Liquid Lipstick. So this professional formula applies as a liquid and transforms to a matte. Velvety finish with long-lasting, intense, opaque color. Use alone or in combination with other shades to create unique color combinations. So that is one other tip that I have, is that you can mix and match these. So I'll show you guys with my big macaroon because I don't want to dip into this one yet. But I'll go with my big macaroon, same color. And you can mix it and make like fun ombre colors. This one I think would be better with maybe a bit of a darker shade. Like if you paired macaroon up with this, that would be a little bit more noticeable, but you can still tell that it gives like dimension to your lip. What you also can do is take a little bit of your concealer and you can create dimension in your lip that way. And you can also, here is my drum roll, you can also wear these as eyeshadows. And I'm going to show you, I'll do a little demonstration on how to do that. First of all, I'll show you all of these colors. Pretty much all of them could double up as an eyeshadow color because I'm a huge lover of the neutrals. So besides Candy Apple, I don't know, I still might rock that actually, but all of these would look really good doubled up as an eyeshadow. So taking macaroon, I'm going to just put a little bit from the brush onto the back of my hand, And then take your crease brush and then just pick up a little bit of the product, swirl it on your hand so that you know you have it kind of in the brush. And then just start on your outer crease. And so it's gonna go on sort of like a cream shadow. And then once it dries, you will have just a matte, regular eyeshadow kind of feel, but they really, really pop because they go on like creamy. So you can see how I'm getting sort of that darker kind of pinky, smoky eye going on. And you can put this down on your lower lash line as well. But that is how you can double these up and you can have like a very monochromatic look and have your lip and your eye both match, and then have a shade of blush that really like goes with those colors as well. And that looks really pretty if you're wearing, like, if you're going to a Christmas party, if you're wearing the same color dress or a little black dress, or just a really sweet tip how you can have a really awesome eyeshadow look in a pinch. So that is my little tip for you guys. So the lip color that I am wearing today, I'm going to put it back on in its solid color, is Cocoa Teeny. There it is with no ombre at all with it. I love, love, love this color. I feel like people who are a little bit scared to go with like the true like Marilyn Monroe red, this is a gateway red because it's kind of brown, so it's a little bit safer. It makes you feel like you're not so like loud, but it still gives you that bold red Christmas lip. And it's just, I don't know, it's such a sexy color. I just love it. So this is Cocoa Teeny. If you did like any of these tips in this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you are excited to see what I have to bring for you guys for the next few videos, click that subscribe button as well as the bell, because then you'll be notified when my video goes live. So I will see you guys tomorrow. See you guys. Mini. Put this in the bloopers reel.